Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to download an email or a message in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so after you have logged in your Google account and then went to mail.google.com to access your Gmail, all you have to do is just select the email that you want to download. Like for example, I want to download this one, and then just look at the right part of your screen and then look for this three dots or the more, and then just click on it and then click download message. As you can see, it will direct you to a link, but it will immediately download the email or the message that you want to download. You can access this through another email application, and yeah. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!